Imagine this. Starting today, you stop drinking water. No more plain H2O. Just soda, coffee, tea, energy drinks, or juice. Sounds fun, right? But here's the real question. Can you survive without water and live on drinks alone? Welcome to Midnight Minds, where we ask the strangest questions and answer them with real science. Why water is essential? The human body is about 60% water. Your brain, kidneys, digestion, and blood all depend on pure water. Even mild dehydration causes headaches, fatigue, loss of focus. So, what happens if you only drink other beverages? Soda, loaded with sugar, liver, and kidney damage. Phosphoric acid, caffeine, bone loss, dehydration. Instead of hydrating, it pulls water out of your system. Coffee, tea, diuretics, increased urination, can worsen dehydration over time, may cause anxiety, irregular heartbeat, insomnia. Energy drinks, high caffeine, yawan, sugar, stress on your heart, nervous system. After a few days, your body becomes dehydrated and toxic. Happens over time. Day 2. Fatigue, darker urine, dry mouth. Days 3, 5. Brain fog, nausea, muscle cramps. By week 1, potential kidney failure, liver issues. Week 2, yaone. Hospitalization or even death depending on what and how much you drink. The bottom line, no matter how tasty or colorful, nothing replaces water. Your body needs pure Lidu-O to survive. Other drinks might seem refreshing, but in the long run they can turn toxic. So tell us, if you had to choose one drink to live on forever, what would it be? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Midnight Minds for more wild what-if science.